Tonight, local reaction to the Supreme Court's ruling about trans athletes falls hard on both sides of the controversial topic.
News 13's Kimberly King joins us live from the UNCA campus with that part of the story. Kim, a lot of conversation going on here.
Tammy, we all know for years this has been an issue that's been hotly debated. We talked with people today who have strong opinions on both sides, some seeing it as a major victory, others, as you heard, seeing it as a huge blow.
I feel almost like somebody who chooses to be out and visible for those kids who feel that they can't be visible.
Marc Eden has lived 40 years as a trans man.
The bigger picture shows me a society that's kind of being duped or driven into removing rights from trans individuals. It starts with the bathroom bill, and before you know it, it's illegal to just be one.
State Representative Marc Pless doesn't see it that way.
I don't think it's a win for any political party. I think it's a win for the girls. It just puts to bed the fact that a lot of folks did not want to admit that we were capable of doing that by the Constitution. And now we have been able to protect them, and it's been upheld.
North Carolina is one of 27 states that already banned transgender women from competing in girls' sports. Peyton McNabb, a former high school volleyball player from Murphy, said she suffered a permanent brain injury playing against a trans player. In a statement today, she said the ruling recognizes protecting women's sports isn't exclusion but justice.
In my personal opinion, it is definitely a big deal.
Indigo Lesser is a UNCA Asheville graduate.
I do just continually find it odd that for a population that's only 1% of the total population, there's such a focus on that group of people. And there's even a smaller amount of, like a smaller percentage of transgender people in sports.
But the issue of transgender athletes has become a political flashpoint. The Supreme Court supporting states' rights. Marc Eden saddened by the news.
Part of kids, especially growth and development, has to do with sporting events. By taking away the ability for these kids to access this, they're isolating them again, and we're 20 steps back again.
Marc Pless feels that there could be an independent division created for the transgender athlete to compete independently. Indigo, who we spoke to, was the UNC graduate, feels that trans students should have a right to compete. Reporting live from the UNCA campus, Kimberly King, News 13.